With Approval Studio, proofing artworks via a phone is no longer a problem because we have a mobile-friendly version of our review tool. As we open it, let's enter our name for identification. We can start adding annotations right away using a free form. It's the most convenient way to create comments on your phone. After we've highlighted what we wanted, we can hide this annotation to have a better look at the rest of the artwork. The comment then can be found in the commentary panel. Here you can also attach files straight from your phone, reply to others, or delete the comment. In the top left corner, there's the Project Assets menu where you can check all files shared with you and their versions. You can see the number of annotations added to each and switch between iterations at any time. Also, you can open the Asset Info menu and see all the file information available. Now let's get to zooming and rotation. Approval Studio does not to scale images, which means you will always have the best quality possible, even zooming from your phone to read a seemingly tiny text. You can rotate the file to check it from different angles and still have a quality zoom and fast system response. To get back into default position, tap on Fit to Screen. Looks like now we're ready to request a new version.